sitting on the trailer since March. Finally got the title back, so it's time to pull it off and get to work on it. Almost like I knew what I was doing. That's a lie. I'll block it up, get it stripped down on another frame because this one's junk. Go from there. Jeep Lowrider Edition. It'll fit. So 82 Cj7 258. But amazingly enough, got to run. For all the body's not garbage. But the brain has left the chat. And an automatic. But replacement frame needs a little bit of love. Nowhere near as much love. Somebody did a really not so bueno repair at some point that I get to fix. A few other little cancer spots. Go back to factory springs, because why not? I've got them. Axles. MC20 rear, Dana something to the front, 273 gears, rear's got a lunchbox locker in it, and yeah, that's all for that. Why I hate this type of frame repair. To weld it together, box that they put over frame rail. Because it doesn't fix anything. It's a band-aid on a bullet wound, and it just collects water and makes it worse. But fortunately, I'm a very good welder. I can fix this. Jesus. Ugly. But fixable.